Hey, what's up everybody, welcome back to my channel, back again with another video. And in today's video I'll be unboxing Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. You might be wondering why I have such a large box in front of me, since the Galaxy S25 Ultra usually come in a smaller package, right? Well, there's more than just a phone inside, so please stay tuned in and watch the entire video. Alright, let's not keep you guys hanging. Let's open the box and see what's inside, the moment you've all been waiting for. There you go. You have the invoice and the return label, and a free Galaxy Tab A9 worth £169. Now therefore that will come in handy. And there's the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Stick around and I'll tell you how to get the free Galaxy Tab A9 at the end of this video. Okay, let's move on and talk about the pricing. Here in the UK, prices starts from £1,249 for 256GB of storage with 12GB of RAM, £1,349 for 512GB of storage with 12GB of RAM, and £1,549 for 1TB of storage, also comes with 12GB of RAM. Comes in 4 different colors: titanium silver blue, titanium gray, titanium black, and titanium white silver. You also get some exclusive colors only at Samsung.com, which is titanium jade green, titanium pink gold, and titanium jet black. Just so you know, I got hold of 512GB version in titanium jet black, cause it's gonna be my everyday phone. Hence I'm gonna protect my investment with a magic screen protector and Taurus phone case. Now look, if you got enough money to invest in a 12 to 1300 pound phones, then I highly recommend not to buy a cheap screen protector or case that would ruin your phone later in time. I highly recommend to go for magic screen protector and Taurus phone case, which will last you much longer. Who knows, you might not even have to buy another screen protector or a case, depends on how you look after it. Okay, having said that, now let's move on and open the box and get a first impression. Only reason I went for the titanium jet black, cause I needed something to match my watch, right? Alright, there you go. Check the bombshell out. What a beauty. Titanium jet black seems to have a great color effect depending on the lighting condition. I am satisfied with my purchase, honestly, man. And if you compare it to its last year model, Galaxy S25 Ultra features a flat design, which is nice. However, we all have our own preferences. It has a Gorilla Glass Victus too, just so you know. Alright guys, I'm gonna pause this video now and set this bombshell up for the first time. Talk amongst yourself. Okay guys, phone is all set, ready to go, back in action. For the processor, it has a Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset running on One UI 7 Android 15. Phone is also known to have IP68, meaning water and dust resistant. It has a 5000 mAh battery capacity. Phone can charge from 0 to 100% in just 60 minutes with 45 watt super fast charger, but you have to buy that separately, of course. Now let's move on to camera specs and features. You get 200 megapixel main camera, 50 megapixel ultra wide camera, 10 megapixel 3x telephoto camera, 50 megapixel 5x telephoto camera, and 12 megapixel front facing camera. Samsung is most advanced mobile camera phones, known for their exceptional quality. These cameras capture vibrant, clear and detailed images that can rival those taken with professional equipment. The Galaxy S25 Ultra features state-of-the-art technology that captures incredibly detailed images. The inclusion of ultra-wide and telephoto lenses adds adaptability, allowing you to take stunning landscape and close-up with ease. The Galaxy S25 series AI-powered next-gen Pro Vision engine assures professional-grade imagery with every shot, delivering natural skin tone, texture, and true-to-life colors to create epic selfie even in challenging light night condition. You can even shoot videos in log, capturing more data so you can go all out on the editing, whether you are a casual snapper or a photography or a videography. The Galaxy S series delivers exceptional images and videos day and night. Video recording 8K at 24 frames per second or 30 frames per second, 4K Pro video at 30 frames per second, 60 frames per second or 120 frames per second, 4K video at 30 frames per second or 60 frames per second, 1080p at 30 frames per second or 60 frames per second, 720 HD at 30 frames per second, portrait video at 4K at 30 frames per second or 60 frames per second, slow-mo video 4K at 30 frames per second, 60 frames per second or 120 frames per second, HDR video recording with Dolby Vision up to 4K 60 frames per second. Now for the display and resolution, another area Samsung has dominated this year. Galaxy S25 Ultra has a 6.9-inch 1440x3120 AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, coming in at around 498 pixels per inch and a peak brightness of 2600 nits, which means display is better under bright condition and also under reflective condition, so you would not have any object distracting the screen. Watching movies and consuming media on this display is a delightful experience under any lighting condition, whether you are in a dark room or in a bright lit environment. The visual remains sharp, clear and crispy. Okay guys, I've got one more thing to show you. If you're someone who loves using Bluetooth S Pen for pictures and videos and other air action, then I suggest the Galaxy S25 Ultra might not be the right phone for you because it does not support Bluetooth. Even if you go to the settings, and you would not see air action on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. I can feel the frustration of others who will miss that feature. I mean, why would you want to downgrade to something you already had? Samsung, fix up, man. Okay guys, have that said, now let's move on. As I mentioned earlier in this video, how to get a free Galaxy Tab A9. So here's what you need to do. Open your browser and go to samsung.com and purchase any of the S25 series. Choose the model you want, choose the storage you want, and choose the color you want. Once you're done, there's an option if you want to trade in your old device. Hit yes if you want to, or continue with no thanks. Once you reach to the checkout, scroll down where you see add vouchers. Type S25 Boost, all in capital letters. And you'll see Galaxy Tab A9 has been added. Now if you scroll down one more time and type S25 app, again all in capital letters, you'll get extra 5% off. For student, you'll get extra 20% off. Just remember to add your details. And for the teachers, you'll get extra 30% off. So please add your details before checkout. Okay guys, coming to end of this video now. If you found this video helpful, please hit the thumbs up button. Subscribing to my channel will be nice. Hit the bell icon to get the notification for my latest videos. And if you have any question, comments or concern, hit me down below and I'll get back to you. Until then, take care. Goodbye.